Skeletons living in my chest. I feel my feelings way too strong. Wish that you could turn a heart off. Made of glass and they always crack.
Hey guys, welcome back to Nessa's, where we're starting off the vlog where we ended. Today is Saturday, yes, and yes, anyway, I just picked up my package and I'm gonna show you, okay? So listen, sit up. Alright, so I just picked up my package and I just decided that I'm gonna show you. So listen, if you watched the previous vlog, yeah, I bought here and they basically give me a used here, and like right now I need to send it back, but yeah, that is what this package is about. So this is it. It's made in China. It's basically a clip in. Now this is new. You can tell that this is new. This is new. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put it in my hair and let it be more full, twist it out so that I can, this is 10-inch. Seems a little bit too short, but yeah, I'm gonna use this, put it in my hair and then just twist it out. That's what I'm gonna do. And then I bought needle and thread just in case I decided to keep the other one, wash it and fix it. Yeah, so that is what I'm gonna do right now. But yeah, so before I get into the vlog, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, turn on the post notification, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, and stay tuned. Alright guys, so I am basically just gonna put this in my hair. Like, I wish I bought this one because as you can see, it's a lot and it costs less. And it actually look like my hair and it's new. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this in my hair. The only thing is that it has some gold thing in it, but I'm gonna put it in my hair and then I'm going to like twist it up. Yeah, twist it so it kind of look like mine, like blend it in. And I just had a meeting with a core team of mine, so that's going good. The video is exporting, so I'm trying to see if I can get it up tonight. But the computer is crappy, the internet is crappy, and that's the whole thing. So, and I need to go to the store, and the reason why I need to do my hair now, because I cannot go on the road like that. So I need to go to the store because I need to get some stuff to cook tomorrow, and I'm hungry right now. So that's what I want to do today. I am gonna go to the supermarket now. It's actually late, almost dark, 6:04. So I'm just gonna hurry up and walk and then take a Uber, come back, because we are about saving money. Yeah, and this is how my hair come out at the end. Like, just basically just catch it up here, man. Camera, what? That's how it is. So I'm just gonna run to the store and come back. That's basically just catch it up. I'm not even sure if I'm going to go to church tomorrow because I don't know. This hair is getting to me, but we'll see what's happening tomorrow. So I'm just gonna run to the store and come back. So the pool is open, and guys, you know what's the pond is dirty because of the rain. That's how the pond is looking. So the pool is open. After I thought it would be like next week, but they opened it today. No wonder why they were moving so fast. But yeah. So now we have gym and pool. That's cool. Remember the days when we used to go up on J1 and we'd have to ride bicycle. And I have to ride up the hill and down the hill. Down the hill wasn't so bad. But up the hill, that was where the struggles were. And this reminds me of Wisconsin. Can you imagine if I was riding a bicycle? No wonder why they provide us with car. Because right now, I'm tired. Look at it. Going up and down. Jeez. No wonder why they give us car to drive, cause diesel is not for the weak in heart. Yeah, manage. My calf a bun me. You come like me still like a gym. And I can't say me never go gym today. Can't say me never go gym today. Anyway, we almost reach. Just I got to turn the corner. Good morning, guys. Yes, good morning. So today is Sunday and I didn't go to church. I just didn't feel like going. I know it's supposed to fight the feeling and go to church because sometimes when the enemy will pull you back. But the thing is, the church is nice and all, but it missing little fire. I don't know if you understand. You know, I want a little fire in my soul. So, I don't know if I'm going to see if I can find another church or something. But, I don't know. The church is nice, but you know, until you feel that Holy Ghost fire, yeah, it not giving that. So I think I may have to find another church. And I am trying to meet people. So I am going to be more sociable, as I said, and to find the right match. Like the guy that we go to gym, he's nice and everything, but I think he likes something like he likes things that I don't like. Cause like smoking and those stuff, so you know, it's not going to be the right group of friends to hang around. If you're watching this, I still love you, okay? We can be gym partner, we can go out and stuff. But I'm just saying, you understand? Okay. Alright, yeah. I'm not gonna cook no rice and peas and no big food there. I made us do salmon and mashed potato. Last night I cooked fries and wings. Oh boy, the wings was winging. The wings were winging. And I released the vlog yesterday and I was like, it's boring. Nobody not gonna watch it. And people actually sit down and watch it and commented underneath it. You know what I'm gonna start doing? I'm gonna start doing post notification. Yes, so the first post notification, I'm just gonna pop them up on the screen, or just designate a time for them, so you guys can comment, and then I'm just gonna show your post notification. Yeah, I'm gonna show your comment. Yes, I'm gonna show your comment. So that is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start doing, because I used to do it earlier, but then I stopped. But this is like a weekly vlog, so might as well. Yeah, so that is that. And guys, remember, we're hopeful. We're going to be hopeful for this week. Things is gonna change this week. Okay, all right. So I just want to say thank you for the overwhelming love and support from you guys, especially on that last video. Yeah, you know, touch my soul. Yeah. So as I said, I'm not gonna do anything. I might just go take a walk around the park. That's it. But I'm afraid, because the geese them run off of people. Like literally, I don't want them run off of me because we cannot run. Right? Yeah, and I did a lot of shopping. I bought some stuff yesterday. It comes up to, what was the price? I think it was 100 and something. Yeah, 100 and something. So I got chicken, pork, like stuff that I need to cook, and toiletries and those stuff that I need, right? So I got those stuff yesterday, and yeah, tomorrow is a brand new week. We're gonna see what the week bring and see how well we can kick this vlog off so that it's not that boring to me. Yeah, and I also I went on Shein, guys. Yes, I went on Shein. I went on Shein and I bought some stuff, and it said that it should reach Wednesday. I don't think it's this Wednesday, but next Wednesday. It should reach Wednesday, so you'll see it in the next vlog. But I bought a mic so that I can be more clear. Yeah, I bought a mic. Hopefully it works good. You know, so I never check if an iPhone will work with. But iPhone and Android have the same input now, don't they? Type C. Boy, I remember it already. Anyway, me buy that time I buy a ring light. See, I am invested in you guys. Yes. I invested in you because I bought the ring light just for when I'm doing like live and so forth. And I bought some little summer clothes like shorts because I need some shorts like this one. Yeah, I got it from Walmart and it outdated now. Them need to throw away. And I'm not supposed to spend the money. Guys, I'm not supposed to spend the money, but why? Why do girls have to go through all this stuff? Like, why do we? Anyway, guys, look at my face. Like, I've been doing this. Even here, so it's getting lighter. I've been doing like a face routine. I mean, no one if you know what is the face routine. Yeah, so I'm gonna do it one day in the video. I'm gonna do it. Yes. So I'll catch you back later on. Yeah. I don't know why. You know, probably I wonder what going on them and girl, man. Why she be like her energy is so different from last week, yeah? It's because I'm just hopeful this week. I'm just hopeful for something positive this week. So I am just preparing my energy and my body to receive it. Because if it come, I'm not gonna know if it receive it. Right? So I prepare to receive it. Alright, okay. Alright guys, so I just done my breakfast. And tell me you go shopping without telling me you go shopping. Look at that. Fruits, plate of goodies, coffee. Yeah, girl, have it. Look at that. Look at that. So this is turkey bacon, by the way. And I love runny egg, if you don't know. Yeah, so I'm just gonna eat this. And I was just thinking, do I really need to cook today? Because I have stew pieces of pickle fill up. I may just eat that. Or if I feel cookish, then I go on to cook. But that's the pre of the day. And I need to go and tidy up the place back and shower. And then I need to do some work on. I am planning something. Like something just came to my mind yesterday. And I feel like I'm going to do it. And I think it's God telling me to do it. And if we do it, it's going to be really good. Because I know so you guys are going to support me. So I'm going to see if I can work on that today. Yeah. That's what I'm going to do. And guys, prepare. And you see, this is why God wanted me to wait. Because he wanted to do stuff in me. And I needed to reach out to people. It no matter if other people come after me and get gone far ahead. No, it no matter. All we need to know is that I am reaching the people that God want me to reach. So I'm going to prepare all of those stuff. And yeah, yesterday I had a meeting with a group. Like I'm just straight out there and I say, hey, if you don't want to come on board, and there is like 10 of us now, so I have a team working with. So that's good. So it'll make my work a little bit easy. And it's not so, what should I say? It's not like a very like business like team. It's just people who willing to help. So if it's even to share information or give a word of prayer, yeah, that is what we need in the group because we're growing. Yeah, we almost reached 800 in the group. That is a lot. And we're not focused on like building too fast. We just want those people who really want it to come. So we're going to empty out Jamaica and pack up foreign. That is our theme, our team. So I'm just gonna eat before my food cold. Yeah, guys, a little trick. If you want your coffee to taste good, just put a little toops of salt tonight. Thank me later.
Can't take my eye off you. Can't take my eye off you. Dim guy. Don't got nothing on you. Don't got nothing on you. My heart is ready for something I have been.
Guys, I was trying to go inside to feel the water, but I just feel it right there, so it's cold. But the thing is, I don't know how to enter. Look up enough self, but I'm gonna go look for a pool. I don't know where to enter. Anyway, I don't know what happened, but I just feel extra good today. I feel extra nice today. I don't know. And then them say, normally when you feel this way, something bad is going to happen. But I rebuke that. I rebuke that in the mighty name of Jesus. So I just put on something casual but nice and spray up some perfume like I'm going to see somebody. spray up perfume and I'll take a walk like me expected to see somebody. But yeah, that is what I'm doing. Just taking a walk, taking some fresh air. Maybe I stop and take 2 pictures. Yeah, it's been a while. I need to update Instagram. Anyway, guys, up on the water. Yes, Kerry Palmer. Yes, Kerry. Look on this girl. Look at the water. Remember yesterday last week? Oh, it looked like if it looked like nobody can fish in that water. Well, the one here worse. It was. If look, because of the little rain and the little rain that fall, make it so dirty. But not even the geese now are going there. The water come like, you know, when time in Jamaica and rain fall and the put them jump up in the dirty water and you have to say stop jumping in the water before you catch ringworm. Yeah, I see the water here, look. But yeah, I'm just taking a walk along the trail. So you can't say I never work out today, I never work out yesterday. I took a long walk. Yesterday I look out the window and somebody are walking and the geese run them dog. If you see the man take off, I first ever see one man runs. Not even Usain Bolt the fast so. And he go round. And when he go round and he realize them today, he make sure turn back. He turn back. It's funny. But I don't see none right now. But if I see any, I go run too, because I'm not able and I'm not keen. So guys, it's good to stick to the evil, you know, because you gotta take a different exit. Got the people them door a push key. I'm gonna say red come up. I say, but when me enter now, I say, oh, the place looks so different. I say, what? The neighbor put up all flowers and all them things here. And then I say, oh, that's so busy because normally my side you don't really see people like that. I push key, only if you know see a wrong place with it. And then I go the opposite direction. And then I say, that's it. Yeah, this is what I'm used to. See the box? When we go, the man get man door. I said, no man. I said, they lock me out. I say, me push the key and it's not going to teeth because it's something like this. But I always wonder if you could have pulled any other door, but now I know you can't pull any door. I push the key and then I turn the latch. Lord Jesus, go see them people there. Call police for me, say me I try break in. Lord Jesus. Oh man, because normally would I go back around so. Me with my enough cells say me I go walk through park. Walk through park and see, nearly get me dead. Anyway, that's it for today for the vlog. I'm going to do some paperwork and go live on YouTube. Do the step-by-step process so that people can have it to refer back to. Alright guys, so we just done live on YouTube. There was a lot of technical difficulties as it relates to the audio. And yeah, but we did end up sorting it out and we kind of like it because these people head not off, them understand. And the good thing is going to be there. So yeah, and my sister came on late. But I ended up getting her some subscribers. Yeah, they went and subscribed. So thank you guys for subscribing. And right now, me hungry, my belly a boil. It is Sunday. I'm in the rice and peas on the stove. Nothing up on the stove. Nothing. Like guys, I don't understand. Why am I so hyper today? Like why am I like me don't know, like why am I so happy? Like this vlog is totally different from last week. Last week I was so down and then this week me just up and vibrant, so I go and me not understand. Yeah. So me a mixed personality, you know. Not to do like, but yeah, I'm gonna look about salmon. I think I'm gonna look about salmon and mashed potato. Yeah. That's what I'm gonna look about, cause the other day when I did the salmon, it was like chef kiss. So I'm gonna try to replicate that. Let's hope it do the same thing. Yeah, but I'm gonna do that for my dinner today, and then I'm gonna edit the video and then post it so that they can get it. And yeah, I don't know why Sunday have to be so long. Like, why you always on Sunday so long? Why? Like, you know, you do. Yeah, but guys, if you look on my face, like me spot them, I go away. Like, me just feels like, alright, guys, I don't know. So, I don't need to pray for me because yes, last week I was down and today now me come like one crazy. Like, me don't know. Them say, you know what? Later. I cooked and I'm having salmon and mashed potato. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So it's like salmon infused in garlic coconut butter sauce. I know it sounds kind of weird, but it tastes good. Let me show you. So that is it. Listen, all these jungle things, yeah, that's enough of pain of mine. Then they're seasoned. But this is the plate. Yeah, salmon sexy and weird things. Look at that. Yeah. That is it. Look at that juicy. Look at that juice. Look at it even closer. Oh, closer. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that juice. Yeah, so that's what I'm having for my Sunday dinner. I don't know why me feel so good today. I don't know why me feels extra good today. But yeah, I'm just gonna stay here and edit the live video so that it not have that long stretch so people can watch it properly and eat. And I'm just gonna relax later on. I need to draft up some stuff because I have a plan and I feel like if I do it, God is gonna make me succeed in it. So I'm gonna just take the evening off and relax and do that. So I'll see you tomorrow. Okay? Yeah, tomorrow. Hey guys, so today's Monday and I didn't do much of a workout today. I just made some carb, but I did work out though. I went on a treadmill for 25 minutes and then I did some abs, and that's basically it. I didn't really video either. I just take picture for Facebook because I wanted to tell them that, you know, I'm still doing it. Yeah. So I still feel good. I'm still hopeful. Nothing has changed, but in due time, and I just want to know that everything is in good standing, and it seems to be. So that's that. It's a bit cooler than normal. Like, I don't know why I have on tights and belly skin, but the sun is out, but it's still cold. Not cold, but cool. And yeah, I'm just gonna go in and see if I can put some stuff together. I made breakfast. It's basically something like an English breakfast because we have spaghetti. That's the spaghetti in some of the sauce, and that's on the side up egg. Yeah, only thing I don't have is English muffin, but this thing is what I love when I was in England, like this. Many of you probably wondering, what's that? It's an English thing, you wouldn't even understand. I don't knock it before you try it. But I also want to say that sometimes you have to listen to God. You just pause and listen to God, because sometimes I direct you somewhere where you had a desire in the past and you never fulfill it or you never go through with it. I know He's redirecting you, because right now I have so much time on my hand because I am waiting on some documents, okay? And it's like He's bringing back some stuff to me, like things that I wanted to do and things that I didn't do as it relates to business and so forth. And I just see where my work and like He might tell me what to do and so forth. So I'm here listening and seeing what I can do while I listen. So pause, take out time from social media and just talk to God, and then just sit there for about 30 minutes, let Him talk to you. And that is what I'm going to do today, because I need His direction. And I've been talking to Him, not as much as I should, but I have not been listening. You know, when you are talking to someone, you and someone is there talking, have a conversation, and that person just talking, not giving you no time to say anything. The person didn't hear what you have to say, they just talk, then get up and leave. That is how some of us treat God sometimes. Sometimes we go to God and we just praying, and we don't give God time to talk to us. We don't give God time to talk to us. So no, focus on talk less and listening more to God. So I'm going to try to do that and see where we can get from there. So stay tuned for the journey. Something big is about to happen, and I want God to direct my path, and you should allow him to direct your path too. That's my little sermonette for you. Happy Monday. Guys, I don't know if I had said it in the last vlog, but this housing scheme thing, I think it's like a rental. So basically they have like maintenance and people that does everything, right? So if your toilet break, somebody come. If the windows need to wash, someone is there to wash it. To cut the lawn, someone is there. Anyhow, last week I saw them washing the windows, and this week they're basically on my side. But it seems like them things stuck and I'm trying to get it out. Let me show you. Look at them putting all kind of dirt underneath to get the wheel out. Though, as you can see, this one right here is down in the dirt. It is stuck. The struggle is really like, it was raining, so I don't even know why they even decide to do it, because if it was raining and the soil is soft, then that's gonna happen, and they should have thought of that. But no, they're stuck. So they may have to get a bulldozer or something like that to get them out. And I don't even know how that machine reached there. Like, how did it reach there? But they have to get something to pull it out. But they're trying to use manpower and dirt. It's a whole mess. But yeah, because the thing is, they're trying to move forward, but they cannot go forward in washing the windows. But what they should have done is go along the walkway there, or maybe it's not wide enough. But then there's a tree there, so I don't know how they would have. It's a lot. So yeah. See? It's not moving. They're trying, but it's not moving. Anyhow, so that's my view. I'm sitting in the living room, just looking out and reading something. Alright, so I think they have a strategy. They figure out something. So basically they're getting like rocks. Yeah, they're getting rocks and they're putting it underneath the wheel. And then when they fill the hole, they move it. So that's what they've been doing. Look at that, they finally did it. They're out and it's a success. Yes. Look at that. Look at that. All of the dirt, like you can see the whole the trail. Because they're basically just digging up all of the ground now. Look at that, look at the trail. Look at the trail. Now they have to work on fixing that. They have to work on fixing that trail. And look at what they're putting up back. The stones. Look at that. Oh God. Well, after 1 hour of nothingness, they finally come to an end and it was successful. Teamwork made the dream work. And that's the lesson of the day. Good morning, guys. It's Tuesday. And you remember the guy when we say want to be gym partner with me last week? He no come and gym from me. So I don't know what kind of partner he want to talk. But I'm not in that. But yesterday the gym was full, today it's empty. So I kinda like that. People may come now. Yesterday I spent like a time with God and worship, and can you believe Dopey hold me down last night? Tuppy hold me down last time. I forget up and rebuke it to backside. Jaja. It's like when you hey, the devil don't want to see you close to God, you know? But it don't go work. But I'm just gonna work out and then do something later on. Let's see.
Cocoa bread, cocoa bread. You're nice, sweet, smooth, like cocoa bread, cocoa bread. You're nice, like cocoa, you're nice, like cocoa bread, like cocoa bread. Oh, you're nice, like cocoa, you're nice, like cocoa bread, like cocoa bread. Ooh, driving dick, watch a movie. Right by your side on duty. Not too much, not too sweet. Ooh, passion from your truly. Let me know how you feel. Hope I'm not in too deep. Me, what, Phoebe? We die forever. Won't be alone forever. Get through the storm together. Ooh, girl, make some room. I know you still, you're nice, sweet, smooth, like cocoa.
Alright, so just done my workout. It was good. And the greatest part is that I was in the gym alone. Yes, I could do whatever I want. I wasn't in anybody's way and nobody was in my way. So I like Tuesdays because I realized Tuesdays is just like this. Nobody comes to the gym on Tuesdays. The pool is open and I think I figured out how to get there. I would have to go outside to the stairs and come down. This is not, I guess you can enter from here, but it is not open right there because they have a note on it. So it's an emergency dock. So I guess it's for emergency use only. Yeah, but I was gonna go over there, but there's some people working. I think they're trying to fix the grill. So I'm not gonna go there. So maybe another day I just go over there and show you how it look. But yeah, I still feel good. I still feel hopeful, and I know great things is yet to come. So stay tuned. Yeah. Look at them, want to run me. Them are tell me why. I say it's my choice why I haven't paid off student loan, because I can, but I choose not to. They're sending me a bill of $16,000 via text when I paid $11,000 the first of the month, and I haven't missed any payment, and my minimum payment should be like 4,000 something, and I always pay more. No, 3,000 something, and I always pay more. Right, I have not missed a payment, but yet still them send me a bill for 16,000. Anyway, I reached out to student loan and they're saying that to get my statement is $750. Like $750 just for a statement? Tell me now. It's a money making thing. I could have already done a take penalty fee and I already done a take late fee. Like just a piece of paper, but not even paper, email. Where now gonna take you 5 seconds to pull up. $750. Anyhow, we got the statement and looking through it, and no late fee, no late payment. I saw that my previous payment was 11, and the one before that was 4, and the one I've been paying consistently. But yesterday sending me a bill for $16,000. Student loan, make it make sense because I can pay it off, you know. And just making them get no more fee for me, you know. And another thing, the reason why I'm gonna pay a student loan is because them supposed to send over my final payment to the school so that I can get my certificate for about what, 2 years, almost 2 years now, you know, 2 years now. Which me gonna pay a fee still, but I don't really need the certificate right now, so that's why I may even leave it. So technically, me graduate, but I don't graduate. Why? Anyway, I'll catch you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. So it is what is today? Wednesday? It's Wednesday, just done my workout and I just came down to look at the pool. So I'm just gonna show you it right now.
Cocoa bread, you're nice, sweet, smooth, like cocoa bread, cocoa bread. You're nice, like cocoa, you're nice, like cocoa bread, like cocoa bread. Oh, you're nice, like cocoa, you're nice, like cocoa bread, like cocoa bread. Boy can't take your eye off you. Girl can't take their eye off you. My yeah, in my mind, oh you. My mind can't take my mind off you. Baby, oh come be my lady. Oh give me a baby. Got me talking crazy. You're nice, sweet, smooth, like cocoa bread, cocoa bread.
You know, sir, because this is somebody go over there and me and say, oh, she enter. And I see her walk somewhere. So I say, no, let me try. And then I did see the stairs, so I was like, maybe it was that yesterday, but no, I confirm. So in order to get into the pool area, you would have to take the gate. I thought you would exit like through the clubhouse, but you don't. It's at the side of the clubhouse. The water is cold. It should be heated. If it was heated, I guess many more people would be in there. Because when the lady came out, she was like, it's warming up. That means it's cold. So yeah, I didn't do much of a workout today. I just went on the little bicycle thing because the 3 treadmill was using, and then the machine, a guy was in it, and then just not feel weight and then something. So that's that. So, but these people using the gym and they're not from here. Jaja. Anyway, I'm gonna go inside because I need to sort out some tax documents. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. So, today is Thursday, I think. Is it? I think so. Yeah, today's Thursday. I'm alone in the gym. I love that. Yesterday it was too much people, like all of this was full, and then the equipment was full, so I didn't do much. So I need to start doing something before they start coming. I don't know what I have planned today. I don't have much planned today, honestly. Like, I feel like I'm in Jamaica when I wanted work and I couldn't get any work. So I had a routine. It was between home and shopping and church. So now it's gym, the house and church. So I just need something to change, man. They need to hurry up with the papers because I'm getting tired of being tired now. They're cleaning the pool. You know, in time they use the vacuum thing and suck out all of the dirt. Yeah, that's what they're doing. And as I said, I don't know what's going to go on today, so just stay tuned. I don't know. Yeah. Guys, you don't know what happened this week. It's like, I don't feel the vibes to work out, but I still pushing up for Eve. But when I'm there, it's like, I don't push too hard. So right now, I take the long way to put in some steps. But I do what I'm supposed to do still, but I feel like I don't do nothing. Maybe I need to push myself more. And this morning I woke up with a headache. I remember the other day how I talked about how my face nice and whatever. Look at. Like, what? Yeah, so I'm taking the long way home, and yeah, that's it. The guy wanted to come to them. I'm not saying I'm trying to flirt, but I'm not into that. I ain't into that. Right now, I preach something else. So I'm not pay him no mind. But that is that. And right now I'm kinda afraid because I don't want it duck them because today I duck a geese them name. The geese them run after me because I peer road, miss them run after people, you know. So I take my little time and go down.
It's been so long I didn't see you on mine. You change a lot, you look a different guy. I can't stop thinking about you since last night. Do you feel the same?
Alright guys, so right now I'm just getting myself ready, you know, just getting rid of the nails, go back natural. Then I just wash my hair, so I'm just gonna clip it. Yeah, because yeah, that is it. Like, that is it. And I feel like it needs to be clipped, so I'm just gonna oil it. I have my oil mixture here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and clip my hair. Now I might go on the road today or tomorrow, I'm not sure, but like I feel like I have a lot of split ends. I don't know if you can see, but I just need to clip it so that it can be healthy again. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm not just gonna take a little bit off, I'm just gonna clip it properly so that it can grow healthy. Alright guys, so I did my hair and I clipped it, and it's still shrinking, but I like how the ends looking right now. It's kind of blunt. That shows that yeah, we're on the right side. So yeah, that's my hair for now. Like, my hair probably glad right now because it's moist, full of oil, it looks healthy, yeah, as opposed to be in braids and so forth. That is why I'm kind of glad for the little break, because now I can focus on everything. My nails probably glad because from September, from my birthday last year, so I've been wearing nails every day. So right now it's all natural, and I'm gonna keep it that way for now. And my hair, I don't know about keeping it natural, but I'm gonna try to treat it. And I think, you know, the reason, it's because when you go to somewhere, like when I was in Maine and I did braids and I always have it long down to my bottom, everyone thought it was my hair. So each time I take it off, I put it back because I wanted them to say, all right, our hair is tall, our hair is tall. So now I'm not going to put that expectation on myself. So if I do my natural hair and they love it, then that's the way it's gonna keep. Or yeah, I can just intertwine with my natural hair and braids. But yeah, here it is. Good morning guys. So it's a rainy day today. I didn't feel like going to the gym because I don't want to walk in the rain, and it just feel like I just calm, relaxing day, even though yesterday I didn't do anything. Like, me literally never do nothing. So I am planning on releasing a merch, and it's basically geared to my H2B family. I am right now in the planning stage, and I actually get the thing designed, everything, and then I kind of brought it to a friend, and they're saying it's like, it seems like an anti-Jamaican thing. So I'm here putting back things in, like putting a word on so it doesn't seem anti-Jamaica. So that is that. Hopefully it's ready by weekend so that I can merge it in the next video, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, so today nothing gonna go on because you're in a fall, so I'm basically just gonna be in. Yesterday I clipped my hair. Yeah, I think you guys know that, you saw that yesterday. And yeah, so I'm just gonna look about breakfast. I may cook today. I feel like I'm just gonna do wings and fries today because it's Friday and I want fast food. I was thinking I was gonna buy Chick-fil-A, but guess what? We are about saving money, right? So we're about saving those coins, so I'm not gonna do that today. And also I was just thinking about getting rid of the whole Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday something, because some days really nothing to go on. So if nothing to go on, I don't need to record nothing on those days. So we still do a weekly vlog, but whatever is like, whenever I feel like, I just do it and then I post it, if you understand, rather than doing it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, because it's like it's forcing me to do something on that day, which we really not have nothing to do on that day. And things soon come, oh, me take off my nails. Yeah, this is how I'm gonna rock it now. I'm telling her this yesterday, so I know, I mean, if not telling her today, no? Yeah, so that is that. Yeah, I was just saying, if I don't have anything why force the issue? And I know things is going to happen and things is going to gradually increase, but for now nothing really happening. I'm just in the waiting stage and planning my life ahead, getting things done, seeing how best I can do things. So that's that. So stay tuned for the merch, guys, and please do support. It's gonna be like a drop shipping thing, so it's not gonna be much, like I'm not gonna get a lot of profit from it, but at least support your girl. Yes, just support your girl, and out of that I can see if I can increase and probably just expand outside of the group and just start like a good business out of it, because that's my aim. I like business, I want to do business, and I also have something planning, guys, so stay tuned for that. I'm not going to talk about it, but yeah, I am actually planning business this year. The business, and the enemy really come to steal, kill and destroy, because I had it, like me have the funds, everything, I'm letting it out, and worst thing ever, that not gonna happen again, I swear. You know them say the good suffer for the bad, it not gonna happen again, literally. But God will come through, and it kind of stressed me out. You know, I am not sad that I don't regret helping the person, but it seems like I regret giving that person. Then if you understand, it's like some people don't deserve the help. Like, I just feel like the person just not use me for the help. And then because of the kind-hearted that I am, I help the person, and then now it seems like I have to be fighting back for my money, even though there's a time frame on it. But yeah, and I feel like the money that I'm going to get back, I invested so much more than that. Like, waste of time, waste of my money, waste of everything. So, but it will come back. First year, I learned a lot. I saved a lot, and I actually loaned a lot. But it's not gonna happen again. Next time, that next season, which is now coming now, yeah, I'm just gonna be selfish. It's okay to be selfish for a while, and that is what I'm going to do. So listen, guys, I am like a kid at heart. I have this rain jacket that I had for about maybe 3 years now. I have two of them. I have a blue one and I have this black one, and I never really had the opportunity to wear it that much. And the bin full, rain or fall, I guess we want to go outside. Me. So look at that. Let me just show you how it look.
Tattoo on my mind, body in my bed. If you say
like, it's just so nice, and like it just looks so fairy tale-ish. So I'm just gonna take out the trash.
lay your body down, I'll make it easy for you. Screaming like you never been touched before, moving like we never made love before. We don't got a color in our lines of what we're told. We could change it up, cutting ties with all the old, switching up positions, paint a different picture. Handcuffs, tongues that taking all control, taking all control. Handcuffs, tongues that taking all control.
Who for idea that? No, sir. Morning, guys. I don't know who tell me if you take to wash out. My belly a pain me. Like it a cut me, like we get up from 7 o'clock. I'm just stepping on the toilet because I just want to wash out. Anyway, too much information. I'm going to edit this vlog, and yesterday rainfall. Today it is quite okay now. I have a meeting later with the group, and from the other day I've been on the live with Similar TV.
I will bind up every act of the devil, every robbing one
And they've been raising money, 87,000 US, to help a woman that's battling cancer. So guys, if you can jump on and give at least $1, do it, because the story touching. No child not supposed to go through that. So look for Similar on TikTok and join on. If I even share it or give a word in prayer, I can do it. And also, I'm going to just release a video after this. I'm going to release my traveling video, even though you guys know that I already reached here a long time ago. And it'll take too long, so I'm going to just release it. So look out for that video also. I'm thinking I might release it tomorrow. So look out for that video, okay? So if you reached this far in the video, thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. And do share, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification. You understand? And we catch you in the next one.